If you want to start earning affiliate income or grow your affiliate income from your website in 2026, then you need to listen up because the rules have changed. More and more people are running to ChatGPT and Google AI overviews. So how do you distinguish your website and how do you actually grow your website in 2026 and beyond? Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is how you actually start building your site out. You need to build something that is modern, something that is brandable, and something that doesn't scream affiliate marketing, right? So instead of just creating a blog post, a templatized website with a bunch of blog posts, you need to build an actual brand around your content. And I recommend actually building your site using a tool like Bolt.new. Instead of using WordPress, if you use Bolt, you have so much more features and things in which you can do. The problem with building with AI is that sometimes it's code heavy and it actually doesn't index. And that's why the solution is using Astro. So Astro is a web framework that allows you to create HTML and static websites that will actually be indexed and rank, and you can create it using themes that are completely free. So if I head over to astro.build, go to themes, go to free themes, I have a full tutorial on this. I'll link it below. You can actually go ahead and take a look at any of these themes. And there's some really, really good themes. So for example, if I go ahead and take a look at this website, you can transform this website into any theme or any actual build in which you like, and it feels like a real site into anything that you like. It feels like a real website, a real brand, and you can add a blogging section CMS. I have a whole prompt on how to do that as well, and I can leave that in the description below today's video. So for example, I did the same method. I used a different theme, which is Screwfast. I just uploaded it onto Bolt as a new repository. Again, full review on that in the description below today's video. Once you upload the theme, then you simply tell the AI to transform this website for this specific niche. This is what we do, blah, 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 blah. And the AI is really good because within a first shot, I was able to get this website done. As you can see, I can click on any of these widgets and it takes me over to a card comparison. And this website is about credit card comparison fees specifically in Canada. And that's another tip in which I would give you. Don't try to go for the whole world. Try to dominate a local market for a local specific topic. Grow your affiliate income, and you can grow partnerships much easier that way because SEO is much easier locally. So again, as you can see, I was able to build out these pages much easier, and all these pages index on Google, and they actually are already getting impressions and clicks. So the first step is using Bolt.new to build your actual website. You can build out your pages very easily, again, using Bolt.new. Just tell it you want to create these pages. It will actually build you the whole topical authority map, and it can build everything for you. A little tip is if you want to save on some credits, use HiQ 4.5. You will save on some credits because it's the cheaper model. But it can build out your whole topical map, a whole topical authority, and everything, and you have a modern, beautiful website. We all know that if you want to take your website to the next level, you need to add a blogging CMS or the ability to blog on your website. And that's exactly what we did here. So we created a blog CMS, and instead of you doing the heavy lifting, you can just use your prompt, pop it into Bolt, and you have your own blogging CMS. Now, here are some of the more powerful features in which we're able to do. We're able to automate our internal linking. We're able to automate our title and meta tag optimization. And on the right hand side, we have our call to action for this blog post and for every other blog post in which we create. So we can see here, we can take our quiz again, and it takes us to the quiz page. Or on the right side, we have the top picks for you, which again takes you to any of your affiliate earnings, right? So these call to actions are super easy that you can add onto any of your blog posts to again make it easier for you to optimize your content and make it easier for you to actually drive more affiliate income. So that's why I recommend using Bolt.new, is because you can build out these things much easier, build out a modern website, and once you have the website built and it's just about the blog post, because of the way that it's built, it doesn't cost you any tokens to actually update your blog post. So if I head over to admin/blog, we can see here, these are all of our posts. So we can simply go ahead and create a new post, copy or paste our markdown, and then it will auto-generate our title, auto-generate our URL. You can select your category, your cover image. You can also put that URL and literally create that post and post it on your website. So you're not paying for everything to update the website when it comes to actually adding new content. And that is how you can scale your website to the moon but you can have a website that doesn't look like a generic website, and you can add any new features. If you want to add a pop-up, you can add a pop-up. If you want to add anything that's automated on the website, you can do that as well using AI. And here's the best part about using Bolt.new. If you head over to all project settings, and if you head over to domain and hosting, you can actually connect your domain right to Bolt.new. Or if you don't have a domain, you can literally buy a domain much quicker, much easier, have it be hosted on Bolt.new. And as you can see, you can improve your SEO by adding on your SEO boost, which improves how your site appears on Google and social platforms, especially helpful for websites loading content dynamically like single page apps. So you can enable your SEO that will also allow you to rank higher on Google. So everything can be done in one place. So if you haven't built your website, I would definitely recommend using it on Bolt. Now, when it comes to actually creating your articles and your blog posts, that's where I would recommend my tool, WordRocket. We recently added in a feature which allows you to create product roundup articles. You can simply enter in a topic. So let's say best ergonomic keyboards. We can copy that over, and simply we can then use it as a target keyword. We can include a comparison table, a pros and cons list, a buying guide, FAQ section, verdict recommendation, and we can choose how many custom images we would like, and we can also include internal linking. It is definitely one of the most powerful product roundup generator in the market. So the two ways in which you can generate content is the way that I just showed you by entering the topic, or you can add your own product individually with your own affiliate link as well, so it'll link to those products automatically. So let's go ahead and we're gonna generate content. If you don't enter in your product, then we will just search up this information on Google. We'll search up best ergonomic keyboards, find the best products, and we'll put it all together within an article for you. After a couple of minutes, your content will be finished and we can go ahead and take a look at it. The ultimate guide to the best ergonomic keyboards in 2024. I would change this to obviously 2026. Let's be honest, if you're reading this, your wrist probably hurt. Maybe it's that nagging ache after a long day of typing, or perhaps blah, blah, blah. I've spent months testing the best keyboards on the market, blah, blah, blah. First image looks really good. Quick comparison table. This again looks good. Product, price, type, layout, wireless, and best for. Really good. Detailed product reviews. So we have a detailed product review of the Logitech Ergo. We get the price, we get the pro, the con. Then we get the second product, third product, fourth product, seventh product, and we get another image as well, which goes really nicely with the whole article. Final verdict, which ergonomic keyboard should you buy? And then we get a keyboard layout picture, best overall, best budget option, best premium build, the bottom line, SEO meta information, title, and description, and that's the full article. So you can see here, we got a really good article. So if you combine the automation of using Bolt.new to build out your blog post, website, and then you automate it with WordRocket creating your content, all I simply have to do is copy over this markdown, right? Head back over to our admin blog post, CMS, paste in the markdown, right? That's all I have to do. Hit create post. So that's how easy it is to upload and write your articles and then post it onto your blog post. And that's how easy it is to write your articles and then post it onto your website. If you'd like to use any of these tools that I mentioned, I'll leave a link for both of them in the description below today's video, for Bolt.new and for WordRocket. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.